pick up this steel green metallic 2011 Chevrolet Traverse, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 28,396 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.